Hi everybody, Sheriff Stephen J here, and I just want to let you know that Season 6 of the Children's Corner is loaded with a lot more Black Bart adventures.
If you'd like to make a reservation for East Side Story, please press 3. If you'd like to make a reservation for Coagulant, please press 4. I'm sorry, I didn't quite get that. Do you need more time?
There's a lot more Slouch in the Couch Children's Corner Band original music.
The Adventure City bus rise high into the sky, gives you a view you won't believe. And if you're getting hungry, the fill-up station's there. Your hunger pains it will relieve.
Letter Chef Stephanie drops by a few times to show us some more of her interesting dishes. Is there anything else in that bag? Are you done?
I don't think so. Oh.
I guess there was something in the bag. We also have a few new characters that pop up in this season.
Hey, what's going on? I don't feel quite right.
What are you doing?
I'm witch cackling. Get out of here! Get!
And of course, we still have Mr. Dill, our angry green talking pickle.
Hello, Sheriff. I'm here for lunch. Where's your shirt? Why you dressed like that? I'm so hungry.
And we have some great places of interest, including an historic trip up the east coast of the United States on a boat on the ocean. Well, we made it. We are entering New York Harbor, home of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the Staten Island Ferry, just to name a few of the historical places and things here. So grab a pencil and paper and go to the internet and look up your public access TV station's website, and then check to see what day and time that they're broadcasting the Children's Corner, and then write it down and you're all set. And I'll see you there, and we'll have a great time on the Children's Corner.